Hey Queens! Welcome to Naomi's Hair Collection, your #1 plug for premium wigs, bone straight hair, and everything luxury.
And yes, it's not just about the hair chair. Our nail techs are killing it every day.
Yeah.
Just look at these nails, darling dead. Clean, strong, and beautiful.
Visit us today and experience the magic. Naomi's Hair Collection, your beauty, our passion.
Naomi's Hair Collection is where the glow up begins. Come in as you are, leave like royalty.
So guys, the advert you just watched was created by AI using Google Veo. Just imagine that you wanted to create this advert with normal human models and the camera and everything. Do you know how much you would have spent doing that? And I did this within 5 minutes using a Veo. Right? Even though it wasn't really that perfect because I was actually managing my credit, but it still came out very well. All right, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I actually created that advert, and it's very simple. Right, so if you have been in this channel, you see that I've made several videos on how to use Veo, and in this video we are going to be using Flow as well. So in case if you are new to all this, right, let me just show you how we get into there. Right, so what you need to do is for you to just come to Google and write Veo, right, and then click on search, and you can see the deepmind.google. You just need to tap on it, right? And once you tap on it, you can see this try with Flow, and boom, you click on try with Flow, and also it will bring you right here. And next thing you need to do is to click on this create with Flow. All right, so in case if you are new and you've not really actually created account, right here they are going to bring out option where you are going to be logging into your account with Gmail, and also how you are going to be subscribing if you want to subscribe for the Pro, right? Because without subscribing to the Pro, you won't be able to access the highest quality. Right here, here are some of the projects I did, which is this particular advert, right? So when you come into right here, what you need to do basically is for you to make sure that you select this text to video. You can see this text to video right here, and also right here that you see this V2 fast. If you tap on this icon right here, you see setting, tap on it and make sure that you select this VO3 quality beta audio, so that you'll be able to generate something with good quality and better audio. Right here, I've almost exhausted all my plans, so I wanted to actually show you guys something. So basically, if you want to actually create an advert, number one is that you also need to have what you want to create in your head. Either what you want them to say, you actually have it already written down, or there are another method you can also use, which is what I used in this video. I actually used ChatGPT, and what did I do? I went to ChatGPT and I told ChatGPT I want to create an advertisement video for a brand called Naomi Hair Collection. They sell hair and fish nail, and the lady speaking should be in the shop. I want to create a video with VO3. Please provide me prompt to use. All right, that's what I told ChatGPT, and ChatGPT actually generated this prompt for me. Actually, it said a confident stylish Nigerian woman standing inside a modern colorful hair salon. She's surrounded by a premium wig, weaves, and hair bundle on display. In the background, another lady is getting her nails fixed. The salon is lively but clean and well lit. The speaker smiles, gesture as she talks, and occasionally show off the hair, the hair and the nail. Nigerian Afrobeat plays softly in the background. All right. So, and also ChatGPT also generated what the lady should say. The script, and this is exactly what ChatGPT generated. And there is one thing I want you guys to understand: why you are using ChatGPT to generate this prompt. You should understand that VO3 only generates 8 seconds video, and if you insert all these things that ChatGPT actually generated, VO3 is not going to generate all those things, because this whole thing that ChatGPT generated can last like up to even like 1 minute or 2 minutes for the person to say it finished. VO3 is going to cut it. Let me show you. When I started that first prompt, this is what they generated. Let me play it. Right.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Naomi's Hair Collection, the home of premium hair and flawless nails. right here in Nigeria. Hello, beautiful.
You can see ChatGPT actually generated a lot of things. Hello, beautiful people, a premium here and flawless right here in Nigeria. Are you looking for luxury week? Blah blah blah. That's what ChatGPT actually generated. But VO3 didn't allow the lady to say all that because VO3 only generates 8 seconds video. So what I did is this: that instead of me actually doing it like this and leaving it halfway, what should I do? Then I now decided to actually divide the scene into three. So what I did is that I came back to ChatGPT and I told ChatGPT I would like it to be three scenes. So I want you to write prompt for each scene, and ChatGPT all actually generated a different prompt, and you can see the first scene, welcome to Naomi's collection. You can see the second scene, nail fishing experience. The prompt, and here is the prompt I'm supposed to enter, and also here is the third scene, and the final look and call to action. So here is the prompt I'm supposed to enter as well. So what you need to do basically is that after ChatGPT have generated these things for you, and that place that they are supposed to say something, which is this Naomi hair collection where you glow, where the glow begins. So what you need to do is actually for you to analyze what ChatGPT generated and collect the wordings that is very important. And shorten it in order for it to enter into the video. And as you can see, when I generated this video right here is what I said that the lady should say. I said the lady should say this: "Hey queens, welcome to Naomi's hair collection, your number one plug for premium wig, bone straight hair, and everything luxury. Just take a look at the beautiful 100% human hair, silky soft, no tangling, and built to last." All right, but at the end of the day, the lady didn't say everything. So this is the reason why you need to actually shorten what you want the person to say and just hit the point immediately while creating yours. Let me play you so that I see what the lady said, right?
Hey queens, welcome to Naomi's hair collection, your number one plug for premium wigs, bone straight hair, and everything luxury. Hey queens.
So when you are actually creating your own, you should make sure that you hit the point. Each scene, you just hit the point. Even if it will take you like up to like 5 to 6 scenes for you to actually get what you want, but try as much as possible to hit the point actually. So when after generating this one, I had to generate the second scene, right?
And yes, it's not just about the hair chair. Our nail techs are killing it every day. Yeah. Just look at these nails, darling Deb. Clean, strong, and beautiful.
So you can see like what I actually did right here is that I generated each scene different. Like if you are wondering how do you actually generate all this, what you need to do is for you to just come to right here. You can see this generate video with text. Let me say, for instance, you can see what I did right here. Let me just copy this one and show you. If I copy this right and paste it right here, you can see right here is the prompt. A confident customer walk out of the salon with flashy install hair, polished nails, smiling and flipping her hair. The speaker stand beside her, both women laughing and posing like queens. Afrobeat music is a little louder now, adding energy. The salon sign Naomi hair collection is visible in the background. The lady should say, now you can understand. So the first thing you need to do is, first of all, you need to analyze the character and also analyze the background. And you can see in this video, you can actually see Naomi hair color collection right here. And you can see in the prompt they said the salon sign Naomi's hair collection is visible, right? So you need to analyze the character first, then analyze the background, which is the place the person is, and also what should be going around in the place. Then the next thing is for you to actually put in what the person should say, and this what the person should say is what you should be very very careful. Right here I said the lady should say Naomi's hair collection is where the glow up begin. Come in as you are and live in royalty. The hair laid, the nail on point, confidence 100%. That's actually what I wanted the lady to say, but the lady stopped at this live like royalty. Understand? So it's important. So why I'm explaining this is that you should pay attention to what you want the person to say, that it should be little. Understand? Don't put in too much, because the VO3 is going to generate it halfway. So just put in the point and allow the person to say the point, right? So very simple, and this is exactly how you do it. So the next thing I actually did while generating this advert is that after I generated all these things one after the other, I had to download all of them one after the other. And here is how to actually download, so you just need to come right here and click on this download right here and click on this upscale, for you to actually get the highest quality, and boom, and it will start upscaling. After upscaling, you will see this download button, and tap on it, and it's going to download right here. You can see where it downloaded. So after generating this scene one after the other, what you're going to do is just go into CapCut, and you are going to compile the scene together according to how you're actually adding the scene, right? Just compile it together and export it, and it will come out like this.
Hey queens! Welcome to Naomi's Hair Collection, your #1 plug for premium wigs, bone straight hair, and everything luxury.
And yes, it's not just about the hair care. Our nail techs are killing it every day.
Yeah.
Just look at these nails, darling dead. Clean, strong, and beautiful.
Visit us today and experience the magic. Naomi's Hair Collection, your beauty, our passion.
Naomi's Hair Collection is where the glow up begins. Come in as you are, leave like royalty.
And I want you to also understand that while generating, I've said it earlier, you should make sure that you are on this VO3 of quality better for you to get something high quality like this. And it's very simple. This is exactly how I created this wonderful advertisement. Right, so if you want to learn more on how to use VO3, I made several videos on that, and all you just need to do is just to go check out my channel and watch those videos. So if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, just say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. Right, so see you guys in my next video.